Welcome. In this short video, we will show you how to create a new case by using our new Service Desk Perla. Your Perla folder will be located in your Harmony portal. To create a case, you need to go to Perla Employee Portal. A new window will open and will take you to the Service Desk portal. It will welcome you and show you any open cases that you may have with the different statuses. Keep in mind if one of the cases is waiting for you to respond, and if you don't, within 30 hours, this case will be closed. To submit a case, you can just simply go here to the green button, or you can go to Service Desk, Submit a Case. As the previous Service Desk, we are using the same catalog, the same topics. If you have a question, you may be able to use knowledge base, and if that answers your question, you don't need to create a case. Let's use name change as an example. It will populate since it's a name change, you populate also Munis HR. You can click also on the file on the right. If you click on it, it will give you a list how to request and what steps to take. If this answers your question, just go ahead and click yes. If it does not, just click no and go ahead and submit a case. For training purposes, we'll use computer topic. Make sure you're always include it, and then you add a description of the issue that you're having. Some of the cases will ask you for this information. Make sure that you complete as much as possible. You may also upload a file by clicking on Upload File. Once you have added all the information, you click on Submit. And now we'll give you a summary that it has been submitted. It will let you know who the case has been assigned to and where the person is located at. Let's go back to our cases. For the one that we just submitted right here, it's telling you that it's new. By just going over the browser, you can see the description of it. We are going to go to one that has provided a solution to let you know how to either accept or reject the solution. You can do this two ways, by doing it here on your Service Desk portal, or you can do it by email. Right now, we're going to try it through your Service Desk. If you accept, you just simply click Accept. We'll ask you to please rate the satisfaction. Comments are not required, but if you do, we will appreciate them to help us improve our service. And click on Submit. And you're done. We're going to go back to my cases and give you an example how it looks like to reject a solution. We're going to click on Reject. On this one, you're required to provide information. Why you're rejecting the solution? And you click Submit. And now you can see here that it has status change, solution rejected. And if you go back to my cases, you will see that now is waiting for agent again. You can also reject and approve by using your email. First, when you submit a ticket, when a comment is added, when a solution has been provided, you will receive an email that looks like this. When you have submitted a case, it will let you know that it has been registered and it give you a case number. When a solution is provided, you'll also get an email, and you can click on View Solution and it will take you to this screen. You can accept here and you give us a rating, and a comment is optional. And if you're rejecting, again, you can reject it through here and provide a reason why you're rejecting it. And that's how you create and this is how you create a service desk. And this is how you create a case using our new service desk, Perla.